how to withdraw Notcoin from an exchange to your wallet. In this video, I'll be teaching you and guiding you on how to withdraw Notcoin from an exchange like Binance, Bybit, OKX to your wallet, probably for trading purpose, degen purpose, or for investment purpose. Okay. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and turn on your notification for new updates and new videos. Okay, so there are two tools that you need in order for these transactions to be successful, or in order for it to be possible. Okay, the first is you need an account, an exchange account. In this case, I'm using Bybit, so it could be Binance, it could be or OKX, could be Get.io. Okay, whichever exchange support Notcoin. Okay, and the second thing you need Notkeeper, because it is through Notkeeper you'll be Notkeeper wallet. Okay, because Notkeeper is actually a gateway to the chain ecosystem. Okay, so you need a Notkeeper wallet. So what we want to achieve is sending Notcoin or Ton from this exchange, Bybit exchange, to Notkeeper wallet, so that I can use it to trade, buy coin, buy meme coin, and do stake for airdrop and do other stuff. Okay, let's get started. Now, once that has been achieved, so the first step is to go to withdrawal. You click on this icon. Okay, you can see deposit, you can see withdrawal. We click on withdrawal. Okay, so here we are. You can see select coin, withdraw to, okay, chain type, withdrawable amount. Okay, so we start from the first one, withdraw coin. We want to withdraw ton coin, which is ton. Okay, we'll type ton, Ton. So you can see I have 0.15 ton. Okay, so that is what we want to withdraw. It's still loading. Okay, so this is what I want to withdraw. So to withdraw so we'll go to our Notkeeper and copy the contract and copy the address, the chain address. Okay, in this case I'm receiving, so I'll copy this address. Then I'll come to this place and paste it. So you can see that I've pasted the address. Okay, then look at it. On-chain withdrawal, internal transfer. We are not doing internal transfer. Whenever you are sending coin from one place in the exchange to another place within the exchange, it is called internal transfer. But when you are doing it from exchange to a blockchain or to a chain, then it is called on-chain withdrawal. So chain type, it is Ton chain. Okay, the chain is Ton chain. You click on Ton. Okay, don't make mistake. Make sure you click on Ton. So you'll be asked withdrawal memo, which is tag or comment. Now, most I've observed that when you are sending Ton, okay, to another exchange, you don't really need memo code. Okay, I mean, when you are sending Ton to an exchange, you need memo code, you need tag, you need comment, so that for easy identification of the platform. Okay, but when you are withdrawing from an exchange to Notkeeper wallet or to any other wallet, most times you don't need a memo code. But this is what I would advise you to do. Always pay attention, okay, to wherever you are copying your address from. If there is a code, copy it and impute it there, so that you won't make mistake. This is the reason why most people make mistakes and end up using all their Ton. Okay, so withdrawable amount, we have to impute the amount. Okay, we want here the amount of Ton we want to send. Okay, so in this case now I've imputed 0.1 Ton. Okay, but it is very low. It's lower than what is expected. The minimum that is expected is 0.2 or 0.2. Okay, so what will happen next is I will click on confirm. I click on confirm. When I click on confirm, then I will enter my I'll confirm, like enter my password, enter OTP, enter code that will be sent to me to my email and to my message. I will verify and I will withdraw. I'll click on confirm and the withdrawal will be completed. Okay, so withdrawal will be completed. So when the withdrawal completes, you wait for like 5 minutes and the token or the coin will appear here. The coin will appear here. So there are other things that you need to know about Tonkeeper. Tonkeeper is a platform where you can access other platform, where you can access the app, like project on Ton chain. Okay, so with your token or your coin, okay, you can simply come, okay, you can simply come and buy other projects. Okay, you can simply come and buy other projects. I want to just demonstrate to you how that can be possible. Okay. So now we are connecting Ston.fi to this place. Okay, we are connecting Ston.fi to Tonkeeper. Now with the money we have, okay, let's say we have this amount of Ton. Can use it to buy Redo. Let's say 0.1, 0.1. So we can buy Redo. Redo is a leading meme coin on Ton chain. So we can use this to buy Redo. So what it means is that when you are sending Ton from exchange to your address, I mean wallet, to your wallet account or to your wallet, what it means is that you are using it to make more money. So you are using it, it's either you are using it to buy new project or you are using it to participate in IDO or you are using it to do uh, airdrop farming. Okay, so that is the idea of sending, okay, of converting your dollars or your USDT to Ton and sending Ton to your wallet, Tonkeeper wallet, and that is the whole idea. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and informative, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share with other persons, and turn on your notifications so that next time when I publish new video, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, on this channel, there's a video on how to use Tonkeeper wallet. Kindly check it and you'll find it very useful.